Hello everyone. Let's understand how to select a folder while my bot is running. So for that we'll go to activity panel and search for an activity called browse for folder. I can drag this activity over here. So this activity will open a dialog box at runtime and asking me which folder I want to select. So I'll select a folder and that folder full path will be saved into a variable which I have to give it over here as a output. So the output of this activity will be of selected folder path which a user have to select. Now I'll create a variable and I'll name this variable as selected folder full path, and I can give either over here or here. So I'll give selected folder path. So whatever folder I select, path of that folder, the complete path of that folder will be coming into this variable or will be saved into this variable. Now to see my output, I'll go to my activity again and I'll say log message. I'll drag this activity over here and I can do a string concatenation over here saying selected folder is and plus, and I'll give my variable over here. So both are string, so I don't have to do any conversion. Okay, now I can run my bot. So when my bot is running, I'm getting this dialog box which is asking me to select a folder. So I'll go to desktop. In desktop I have automation folder, and suppose this is my input file folder. So I'm selecting this one, and the moment I press OK, it will select the folder for me or get the full path of that folder. And in output panel, you can see the selected folder is this one. Automation, inside that there is a folder called input file. So this is how you can select a folder while you are running a bot for your automation purpose. This kind of automation we generally do in, or we only do in attended automations or attended bots. Thank you for being in this session. See you in the next session. Bye bye.